Time is currently, I don't know, 4:25, 4:35. Chilling. The cops is yelling at them. I don't know what's going on, but everybody's sprinting and shit. That's fun. Miami vibes, head ass. Just a chill day on Miami Beach. We just ate some pizza, doing some longboarding bays over there. But it's just a chill day. Got the vintage Porsche tee from the spot. Say what's up. I'm trying to vlog. My angle is really weird. I look ugly as hell. Sarang hey. Longboarding on my... Welcome to Miami. Also recently I had this chest rig. And the reason I have it is primarily because I used to use fanny packs a lot. And fanny packs have the tendency to either go to the side or even go to the back. And someone can just easily steal it. If you want to steal this from me, you got to come straight on. Or I can fight you. Bay just crashed into the fence. But yeah, so we're just chilling, longboarding down in the MIA. There, stick A1, no steak sauce. Yeah, this might end the video potentially.